vitamin is found in avocado, peanuts, and sunflower seeds. Pablo's locked in his answer.
Vitamin. You know, my gut says vitamin E, and I really want to go for it. She's kicking. She says I should go for it. I'm going to go for it. Vitamin E.
Vitamin E. Through the years, we have had a lot of deductions made in this classroom. I don't believe anybody has ever come up with an answer because that's the moment the baby kicked. You know what would be a good name for your baby?
What?
Tocopherol. Because tocopherol is vitamin E. How about that? You got $6,000. We're down to
Roll back over, baby.
another subject.
Roll back over.
Third grade vocabulary.
Third grade vocabulary.
Almost.
For 2,500 more, here is our third grade question.
Huda.
The term avian refers to which class of animals? By definition, the term avian refers to which class of animals?
Avian reminds me of aviator. Has to do with flying.